How to make Facebook private so no one can find you anymore. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So actually, there is a very good way to do this. And what you want to do is go to the menu and then click on the top right corner on the gear icon. This will bring you over to the settings and privacy. So here you have immediately the privacy checkup. It's the second option right over here. And if you click on there, you simply want to click on the first one. And what you basically want to do with all of these options is make sure to either set it to only me. That is the best option because then nobody will find it. And if that is not possible, to only friends. So here, email to only me, and then here to only me, instead of public, only me. So that's basically what I'm going to do for every single option. So for example, over here, you also can do only me. And then for example, for your story, you actually cannot do it for only me. You can only do it for friends, or do a custom list and just only add one person to there, for example. Click next. You can also actually add people to your blocked list. So if you want to block specific people, then you can do that as well. And then click on next and then review another topic. And then how to keep your account secure isn't really needed for this video. So then you can go to how people can find you. Then here you can click on continue, set this to instead of everyone to friends of friends. So then you have the least possible people to find you. Then only me, and then again only me. Next. You want search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Nope. And then click on next again, and then review another topic. And I've just checked the other topics out as well. Those aren't really needed as well. So it's basically the ones where who can see what you share and how people can find you on Facebook. Those are the ones where you want to set everything to only me or friends. And then, yeah, you won't really be able to be found anymore. So that is basically it. That's how to make Facebook private. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.